So I would like to start freemind. I'll show you. This is freemind, assuming that you already installed it. Freemind is available as a freeware. You can download it, just Google it and go to that site. So I double click the butterfly, which opens freemind. So I will launch it, taking some time to. There you go. So freemind is starting. Okay, so here's an existing freemind. So what I will do is I'm going to start a new file. File, click new or Control N, and immediately you will see a new mind map central idea. So you just click on it and you click backspace and you can immediately edit. So for example, new STEP techniques. Okay, so I click outside, click, and I can change the font here. You can change it to Saizeta, you can change it to Fetzerat, but for English I will change it to Arial Black there, and I will increase the font here. So I'll click the biggest one. Okay, so now I have the central idea. What I will do is insert a new node. Insert new child node. Okay, I can do that, or from here I can click on this and I will click right on my mouse, also in new child node. Okay, new child node. So this new child node will be your first level mind map. So you can say we can divide the step techniques into diagnostics, because you want to know, say for example, prior learning, or what's the baseline level of knowledge of your students. So to make it easy, I will, while it's still highlighted, I will copy paste it, Control C and then Control V. See, so from the diagnostic I will now list a diagnostic tool, like for example the KWH diagram. Okay, click outside, I click again on the diagnostic and I click Control V or paste. You can also say like this, new child node, okay, there, or Control Z. I can just click this, Control C and then Control V. There you go. Remove this. So I can move it. If you want to move it, you can just click on it and you see that brown thing there. That's the way you click that and then you drag it and you can change the position. So the diagnostic tools will include the KWH diagram, a wiki mind map, okay. So it's easier for the teacher now to know what the prior level of knowledge is. So another technique, same level as this one. So I will say Control C. I'll click here. This is the mother, and then Control V. So now I see the same, and now I will see assessment. So the new assessment techniques in the STEP curriculum will include rubrics there, And of course, part of the rubrics is the standard, setting the standards. And you can also say, in the first place, you will adapt the understanding by design. There. And understanding by design, I would like to make elaborate it. So I said control. Again, I will delete this. Okay, so UBD. I will click UBD and then insert new child node. There. So UBD includes the grasps tool. There. You can see that in your manual, the grasps tool, or in your folder. Okay. So rubrics will include the insert new child node. So it will include specific indicators or evidences of learning. So the way to, this is setting the standard. In the meantime, I will also sorry, this one in from assessment, insert new child node, and part of assessment I will talk about specific assessment techniques like portfolio. Okay, I click outside and then I click here bold and I increase the font to maybe 18 points there. By the way, if you want to put numbers here, you just click here and you look to your left. See here, you can click on this and it will say, see there, this one, click, and this one, click. Okay, so now let's say I want to change the color of this one, this node. This is a node, so I go to format, click, and then I will say node color. So node color. If you want the shortcut, Alt Shift F. Okay, node color. Then you will see the choices. See, I will choose red. I'll choose OK. Immediately the node is already red. What if the background? I want to change the background. So I will just click this. Format. Earlier we said node color. Now we say node background. Okay, so we will format the node background color. Earlier we clicked this. Now node background color. We also choose this. Click there. Okay. So I click in the outside. So now see. So in case I want to connect assessment with based on prior learning or what they know what they want to know, how they think they're going to learn, want, how. Okay, so let's say this idea is connected to UBD. Okay, so I will click UBD, I click control, and I also click on KWH. Then I do the insert graphic link. Okay, click on graphic link and you will see a line. Okay, format, and you can do the, what I do is I put the cursor here and I click right. See, and then I will want the arrow to change in color. Sorry, this one, click arrow link color, and I will say blue. Okay, so now the arrow is color blue. So I'll reduce the view to 75%. So now I click here. You can move it. You can drag it. Drag there. You can change the shape. You just click on here and then you drag it there. So there. You can even change this color, this arrow to two arrows. So click right and you will see two edges. There you go. So you can see KWH and UBD are related to each other. So in your mind map, this is your main idea. This is level 1. This is the grandmother. This is the child of this mother. And this is the grandchildren. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. This is the third level. Okay. When you make mind maps, make sure it's a minimum of 3 levels. 1, you count from here. 2 and 3. So this one and this one, same level 1. This one and this one are the same level 2. Okay, so I will node background color, I will say same color as this because they are the same levels. And this one and this one, remember I click this, control click also so that it will choose that also. And then node background color, say yellow green. Okay, so I will click here and you can see them both are already green. This is the first level, this is the second level, and this is the third level of your mind map. Okay.